DEFROST. Ramp-up test, exploring geographical concepts. Key Stage 1, ages 5 to 7. Chapter 1, exploring continents and oceans. How many continents are there on Earth? Answer, there are 7 continents on Earth. Name the largest ocean on our planet. Answer, the largest ocean on our planet is the Pacific Ocean. Which continent is known as the land down under? Answer, Australia is known as the land down under. Key Stage 2, ages 7 to 11. Chapter 3, countries and capitals. Which country has the capital city of Tokyo? Answer, Japan has the capital city of Tokyo. Name the country with the capital city of Cairo. Answer, Egypt has the capital city of Cairo. In which country can you find the capital city of Brasilia? Answer, Brazil has the capital city of Brasilia. Identify the country with the capital city of Moscow. Answer, Russia has the capital city of Moscow. Key Stage 3, ages 11 to 14. Chapter 7, cultural landscapes. Which religion is predominant in India? Answer, Hinduism is predominant in India. Identify the language spoken by the largest number of people worldwide. Answer, English is spoken by the largest number of people worldwide. What's the name of the sacred text in Islam? Answer, the sacred text in Islam is the Quran. Key Stage 4. Chapter 26, Geographical Technology. Name the satellite navigation system that provides global positioning and time information. Answer, the satellite navigation system that provides global positioning and time information is GPS, Global Positioning System. What is the term for a narrow strip of land that connects two larger landmasses and has water on either side? Answer, the term for a narrow strip of land that connects two larger landmasses and has water on either side is an isthmus. Climate systems. What is the Köppen climate classification system used for? Answer, the Köppen climate classification system is used to categorize and classify different climate types based on temperature and precipitation patterns. Name the climate phenomenon characterized by the warming of sea surface temperatures in the central and eastern equatorial Pacific Ocean. Answer, the climate phenomenon characterized by the warming of sea surface temperatures in the central and eastern equatorial Pacific Ocean is El Niño. Challenges in geography. Which geological process causes the constant movement of Earth's lithospheric plates? Answer, the geological process that causes the constant movement of Earth's lithospheric plates is plate tectonics. Identify the point on the Earth's surface directly above the focus of an earthquake. Answer, the point on the Earth's surface directly above the focus of an earthquake is the epicenter. Geography and human society. What is geopolitics? Answer, geopolitics refers to the study of the effects of geography on international politics and international relations. Name the process of coastal soil and sediment erosion due to the excessive flow of water from the land into the sea. Answer, the process of coastal soil and sediment erosion due to the excessive flow of water from the land into the sea is coastal erosion.